Well, I've kind of got this thing running and operating, charging the battery and all that good stuff. I've got the governor hooked up, all that good stuff. I fixed my oil leak from the oil filters. So yeah, it's the old G705 lives again. Belt pulley on this one. Had a PTO, but I stole it for the other one because the G705 is a different shaft for the PTO. So anyway, I gotta plug that or find a shaft and put it back together correctly. But so my lights even work, but light. It's pretty good for idling. Now the problem is 4-inch exhaust pipe doesn't fit on this. I gotta expand some to get it on there. So yeah, it's back mobile, and I'm really happy that it is. It's Moline year at the tractor show, so I'm gonna build some wheelie bars for this one and take it over there. I might paint it. We'll see what I do, but yeah. Anyway, we got to adjust the brakes once it drives around a little bit, gets limbered up. The steering is really stiff. I should grease the kingpins and see if that helps, but yeah, I'm really happy with it. It's running, got the full Wheatland fenders, and I mean the drawbar and that guide has no wear on it. Yeah, it's a beautiful tractor. Well, it's an ugly tractor, but it now moves again under its own power, and you know, I really am happy that it's back. These are just so cool with this long hood. You know, I mean, having a 7-foot long hood, it's just something about it, sitting up there, looking out over front of it. So, yeah, I should get out sandpaper and scuff it up and just do a quick paint job. I mean, it's not perfect, not gonna be, but it could be better than it is. This gray paint from the Navy just doesn't cut it. So anyway, someday maybe I'll put the power steering back on, but I kind of want to go tractor pulling with this one, and we'll see how that works out. Yeah. If so, I'll probably just even build a lighter front end for it than what it has, and you know, put clamshell fenders off of U on it and other dumb stuff to make a 10,000 pound tractor weigh 9,500. But you know, that's what us pullers do. We do dumb stuff. So anyway, that's the tractor.